Warning, the Blackmagic Pocket 6K Pro does not fit in your pocket. Hey guys, Evan Aduyo here, bringing you more media tips and tools for churches. Today we're going to be discussing the specs and everything that you need to know about the brand new Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K Pro. That's a long name. And stay tuned till the end because I've been researching a new camera that should be coming out by the end of February of 2021 called the Sony FX3. And this is going to be a cinema camera about the same size. And I think the Blackmagic is actually going to destroy the impact that camera was going to have on the camera community. But let's jump into the video. All right, let's start with the specs that you need to know. First of all, you can get 6K up to 59 frames per second around that area, so you can do 6K slow motion, 4K at 120 frames, of course. It is available for pre-order at the moment for $2,495 USD, so that's $2,495, which not a bad price. We'll be talking about price here in just a second. It does have the new Generation 5 color science that actually this will be going across all Blackmagic cameras, but it's exciting to see that they are just immediately putting it into this camera. It's going to be really cool. It also has 6 stops of ND, so you've got 2, 4, and 6 built-in ND filters, slides over the sensor. It's really cool to see how they do it. And it is also going to revolutionize the live streaming world because a lot of cameras that are this quality are $6,000. I mean, they wanted to take the Ursa Mini and kind of combine it with the pocket cameras, and this is what they got, and I think that they succeeded. Now recently, some images and information was leaked about the Sony FX3 that should be coming out soon. The price, they're saying, of course this is all up in the air, is going to be around $4,000 to $4,500 US dollars. The limit on the Sony FX3, as we know, of course, this is all in theory, is 4K at 120 frames per second, and of course the Blackmagic does 6K at 59 frames per second, so you are getting a lot more features out of the Blackmagic. But something to note is, and why you might want to wait in buying the Blackmagic 6K Pro, I mean, autofocus is probably going to be better on the Sony camera. Sony just generally has better autofocus. Blackmagic in the past has not had the best autofocus. That's pretty much my only concern for the camera. This is really going to change the way we look at cameras with their price and their quality. I'm excited to get my hands on one. And let me know in the comments, do you plan on upgrading to this camera? That's the question of the day. Let me know if you look to buy this camera. Also, tell me why. I'm interested in hearing why you want to purchase this camera. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.